Hello everyone, welcome back to another guitar tutorial. It's Clint, where I teach you guys how to play your favorite songs easily and in detail. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as teaching this to you guys as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow. And yeah, that's it, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so when it comes to the chords that we're going to be using for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the G major 7 chord. That's going to be 3, dead string, 4, 4, 3, dead string. Next up is going to be the A7 chord. That's going to be 5, dead string, 5, 6, 5, dead string. Next up is going to be the D major 7 chord, like so. That's going to be dead string, 5, 7, 6, 7, dead string. Next up is going to be the D7 chord. And we're going to be using our index finger with the help of our middle finger to fret that 5th fret from the A string down to the high E string. And then lastly, it's going to be the G minor 7 chord. It's going to be like this. That's going to be 3, dead string, 3, 3, 3, then dead string. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. To demonstrate, it's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So allow me to break that down further for you guys. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to be plucking the bass, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time, along with the D, G, and the B strings all together, waiting it out for one count, and slapping the fretboard. Once again, bass, D, G, and the B strings all together, and then slapping your fretboard. It's going to be. Yep, so for chords such as the G major 7 chord, like so. So once again, it's going to be the lower E string, D, G, and the B strings all together, and slapping your fretboard. Yep. And for chords such as the D major 7 chord, it's going to be this one right here. Our root note is going to be on the A string, so that means we're going to be using our A string for the plucking pattern. It's going to be A, D, G, B strings all together, weighing out for one count, slapping your fretboard. A, D, G, and the B strings all together, then slapping your fretboard. Yep, it's going to be like this. Yep. G major 7, D major 7. Yep, and with that said, that entire plucking pattern will be worth for 2 whole counts for each chord that you're going to be playing in this song. Okay, so when it comes to the intro as well as the first pre-chorus section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. It's going to be the G major 7 chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing the plucking pattern twice for this chord. Same with the A7 chord for 4 counts as well. So it's going to be 1, 2, then A7, 1 more, and that's pretty much it. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Love when you leave it, lost your mind and your feelings. Okay, so when it comes to the verse sections as well as the chorus sections of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, D major 7 chord for 4 counts. It's going to be like this. 1 more. D7 chord for 2 counts, G major 7 chord for 2 counts, G minor 7 chord for 2 counts, D major 7 chord for 2 counts, G minor 7, then A7, 1 more, D7, G major 7, G minor 7, D major 7, G minor 7, then A7. Yep, and as for a demonstration, it's going to be a bit like this. Give yourself a chance, take a try. Give yourself a chance, take a try. Give yourself a chance, clear your mind. Give yourself a chance now, give yourself a chance now. Give yourself a chance, take a try. Give yourself a chance, take a try. Give yourself a chance, clear your mind. Give yourself a chance now, give yourself a chance now. Okay, so when it comes to the bridge section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Similar to the chorus sections of this song, but instead of repeating the chord progression twice, we're only going to be doing it once now this time. So once again, D major 7 chord for 4 counts. One more. E7, G major 7, G minor 7, D major 7, G minor 7, then A7. Yep, once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Take a drive towards a life that you want. We'll be fine. Something between us is wrong. I know that I don't make you feel good anymore. We had a great time. No, we should both drive. And lastly, for the outro section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. Similar to the intro section of this song, but instead of just repeating it once, I'm going to be doing it twice now this time. So once again, G major 7 chord for 4 counts. A7. Yep, repeat that one more time. Yep, and that's your song pretty much from start to finish. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Love when you leave it, lost your mind and your feelings. Drive till you see it, take your time, get to heal it. So yeah, that's the end of this guitar tutorial. So thank you guys for reaching this far into the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell down below so that more of you guys will be able to stay updated with future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below as well. And I'll try to do it for you. And we'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Rex Orange County guitar tutorials or any other video for that matter, just click these ones right here. It's all good, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.